If you think forests just spring up overnight, think again. They rebuild themselves in an amazing series of steps. Ready to see how? Secondary succession is nature's comeback routine, happening after events like fires, storms, or logging clear a forest but leave the soil behind. First up, hardy grasses and wildflowers rush in. They're the pioneers, holding the soil together and soaking up sunlight. Next, shrubs and small trees move in, providing shade and shelter. This sets the stage for bigger players, oak, maple, and pine trees to take root. Over decades, these trees grow tall, forming a lush canopy overhead. As the forest matures, wildlife returns, insects, birds, deer, all finding food and shelter. In 100 years or so, you've got a thriving temperate forest again, almost as rich as before the disturbance. Nature's time-lapse is slow, but every step tells a story of resilience and renewal. Now, next time you walk in the woods, you'll know you're stepping into a living timeline.